Hello, welcome back to the Bio Friend channel. Make biology your friend. So today's topic is very important. It is about heart and blood vessels. Okay. See, first of all, we will going to discuss that what is blood vessels. See, blood vessels is the tiny tube-like structure in our body. जैसे एक पाइपलाइन होती है वैसे हमारी बॉडी में छोटी छोटी ट्यूब लाइन्स होती है जहाँ से ब्लड फ्लो होता है. ओके. नाउ देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ द blood vessels. First is veins and second one is arteries. इन जनरल हम इसके बारे में स्पेशल केसेस के बारे में भी आज के वीडियो में बात करेंगे. बट इन जनरल क्या होता है, जो वेन्स होती हैं वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाला ब्लड है वो कैरी करती है और जो आर्टरीज होती है वो ऑक्सीजन वाला ब्लड को कैरी करती है. ये अभी याद रखना आप. ओके. चल फिर अभी के लिए इतना ही है. ये मैंने पूरे के पूरे नाम दे रखे, एक बार देख लेते हैं. इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे जब हम स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द हार्ट पे जाएंगे. सुनो, जो ब्लड वेसल्स है जो हार्ट से कनेक्टेड होती है वो है एरोटा, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, पल्मोनरी वेन्स, सुपीरियर वेना कावा एंड इंफीरियर वेना कावा. नाम लिसन. व्हाट इज दिस नेम? It is pulmonary artery. So artery was conducting which blood? Oxygenated blood. But here it is one special case. This pulmonary artery will have carbon dioxide rich blood, and same here for the pulmonary veins it may carry in general if it is vein then it will carry carbon dioxide blood, but here it is vice versa. It is a special case. The pulmonary veins will have carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay. Now there is the structure of the heart. Listen, first one, these upper chambers are small chambers. Okay, and these upper chambers are also known as receiving chambers because it may receive the blood from the body and the lungs. Okay. Now this upper chambers have two names. Okay, old name is known as auricle. Old name it is, and new name is atrium. Okay, and atrium is a singular word, means for the one chamber we are using atrium. If we are going to pronounce it for the both chambers then it will be atria. Okay, so now there are the chambers, the different chambers of the heart. See, this is not a very advanced photo. For the explanation I have made it simplified method. Okay, listen. See, the four chambers are present. The upper chambers are known as auricle or atrium, whatever you can see. Okay, upper chamber are there, left part, right part. Left part have auricle and ventricle. Right part also have both auricle and ventricle. This both will receive. Now you remember one thing, that the right part of the heart will always receive deoxygenated blood. Right part will always have deoxygenated blood and the left part will always have oxygenated blood. Clear? Okay. See, now means this right and left part are there. As I told, that left part will receive oxygenated blood. Okay, and it will be the oxygenated blood will be first received in the auricle as it is a receiving chamber. Okay. See, now suppose, listen first. Suppose the left auricle are having oxygenated blood. Now, if you know about the lungs have oxygenated blood, and the oxygenated blood from the lungs are going to the left auricle. Okay, how it is going? Basically, it is going by pulmonary veins. See, the lungs have pulmonary veins, and the pulmonary veins will conduct oxygenated blood to left auricle. Very important expression. Okay, next one. You listen. Then from the left auricle, the blood will go to the left ventricle, of course, because here the septum is there, no, between left and right. It is there no transfer is there between left part and right part. Never ever it is there. In the case of the mammals or advanced mammals. Okay, however, so from the left ventricle, now you listen, from the left ventricle oxygenated blood is having, okay, from this left ventricle have oxygenated blood. Now where this oxygenated blood will go? Of course it will go to entire body. But how? We have here aorta. Aorta is largest artery, means from the left ventricle the blood will go to the largest artery, that is known as aorta, and from the aorta it will go to entire body part, so it is known as largest artery. Okay, see, now next one. See, means what is the conclusion for the left part? For the left part, there is a conclusion that, see, the oxygenated blood will come to the left auricle. The oxygenated blood will come to the left auricle from the lungs, of course from the lungs. By what blood vessels? By the pulmonary veins. Okay, from the pulmonary veins it comes to the left auricle, and from the left auricle it goes to the left ventricle. From the left ventricle it goes to the aorta, and from the aorta to the whole body. Done. Now next part we are having is about the right part. As I told you that the left auricle, see, auricles are receiving chambers only. They will receive only, as I told you before in the video. Now what it will receive? It will receive actually carbon dioxide rich blood. Carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay. Now what will happen? This carbon dioxide rich blood will be there. It will go to the right auricle. Okay, this, and then it will go to the right ventricle. Simple. But the thing is that where this deoxygenated blood comes from, it comes from our body. It comes from our body part. Okay. Now see, it comes from the superior vena cava as well as inferior vena cava. This superior vena cava is there, no? It receives the deoxygenated blood from upper body part. From upper body part. Okay. And this, the inferior vena cava will receive the blood from the lower body part. Okay. And this both will dump this deoxygenated blood to the right auricle or right atrium. Correct? Okay. Very nice. Then this, from the right auricle it will go to the left ventricle. To the right ventricle, sorry. Okay. Now from the right ventricle, this deoxygenated blood will go to the lungs to get oxygenated. By what means? Of course, with the pulmonary artery. I told you before, no? It is a special case I have written. This pulmonary artery will have carbon dioxide wala blood. Okay, and it will go to the lungs. It will get oxygenated, and it will again go to the left auricle via pulmonary veins. This was all. So stay tuned for more videos, and you can demand new topics in the coming section. Thank you.